Hey guys, Cody and Clance here, working on the square body today. And we've got something pretty exciting that we're going to put in today. Show them what it says there. Vintage Air. So what is this going to be?
My air conditioner.
His new air conditioner system. So first, let's walk up to the front and show you where it's going to go. And then we'll come back and do a little bit of an unboxing and kind of take a look at it. So, Clance, if you would.
The inside or the outside part?
Let's start at the beginning. So right up here is where your old air conditioner system would be. Is it still on the front of the old truck? The other truck out there?
Yes, I think. Yep.
Okay. So here we go. Maybe it won't be too dark out here. So this is the way it would come from the factory. This is your blower motor over here, and this is all your air conditioning where it gets charged and everything like that. But what we're going to do is we're getting rid of all that. So we've already got it all pulled off of here. Driver mode, I don't know what that means. We've already got it all pulled off the front here. And Clance, show them the plate that came with it. So it comes with a plate here that blocks off the front of the firewall. So where all that stuff went through, we're going to close all that off. We've got to drill some holes. This hole right here, all right, come back there now. This hole right here where the blower actually went in and did the blowing, you know, made the air blow on you. We're gonna cover it off with a cover thing with the instructions. So let's go back here and do a quick unboxing. Maybe we can figure out a way to set you guys up. We've already kind of got into it, so not like arguing and fighting like, I mean, we've already got into the box. So let me set this up and see if we can get a good shot where there's not too much light behind us. Is that gonna work? I kind of got my head cut off, don't it? There we go. Okay, so let's open it up and see what we got. So we've already took the plate out. So here's this. What are these?
Vent cover.
Those are your vent covers, or not the vent covers, but the actual vents that go in. This kit basically replaces the entire system. So we've got ductwork. Set that up. A couple of different sizes of ducting there. Don't open that up. We don't want to lose all that stuff.
What is that?
A couple of different plates here. This is our installation kit. So this has got a drain hose, a bunch of hose connectors and stuff like that. Here is the main star of the show though, right there. That's your all new air conditioner system right there. And then it comes with a bunch of different fittings. We'll hook everything up. There's that cover for where the blower goes. This is your head unit that runs everything. There's a few more pieces in there. Let's make sure. So the neat thing about this, guys, is it cleans your firewall up, gets it to looking a little better. It also, this has got a way, blows a lot harder. Is your microphone turned on? Did you turn it on?
Yes.
Okay.
Why?
Just making sure. I better make sure mine, oh, they're both working. Look at this place. So this thing blows harder. It's got a heater and the air conditioner built into it. This doesn't weigh anything. It's very, very light. So here's your blower over here on this side.
Yeah, it really ain't that heavy.
We also got over here on the other side, we've got the condenser coil that goes on the outside by the radiator. Basically this comes with a wiring harness to hook it up. You get rid of all that old vacuum line stuff that's under your dash from the old days. You don't have to mess with that. It's all electronic. The new head unit here we were looking at earlier. don't you show them this, Clamp? Take it over there and show it to them. So it's got your defrost and all that. It's got really good instructions so far. So today we're going to see if we can get this baby mounted in there. Maybe not wired up, but at least mounted in the truck today is our goal. So let's get started with that. So, guys, that's pretty windy. I'm going to roll this door down for you. We had a big old, just a little bit. We had a big old catastrophe, play on words there. One of the barn cats got itself in here last night, and we didn't know it, shut the door, and then it's in here just meow, making all kinds of racket. And we finally got it run out of here. It took about an hour to get it out of here. All right, first things first, bub. Let's show the folks what we're gonna do. So we're gonna drill out, it tells you in your instructions here, really good instruction manual right here, where to drill your holes. We're gonna drill these 2 bigger holes out with a 2-inch hole saw. We've already pre-drilled a center hole, and then these other 3 holes we're gonna drill out with 1 1/8 inch. We need to get that firewall backing away from it. Here, hold this and I'll go see if I can pull that back. Man, this thing is junk. We should probably get a new one.
That's what you've said about everything that was junk.
Yep. But this one is real junk. Really?
Mom's gonna love that.
All right, so drill those 2 holes out. So you can see, hang on before they get started, these are the 2 factory holes, and you're gonna overlap them here with these 2 holes, but it's no big deal. Oh, you should put your safety glasses on.
For drilling a hole?
Yeah. Ooh, see?
That could have been crazy.
There's one. Get you some glasses on. You got some really good ones. I think there's some in that. Oh, there's some right here, I think.
Epic eyewear.
There you go. Right here. There's some of yours. Show them what kind of safety glasses you're wearing now.
Epic eyewear.
Be still. Come on, thing. Be still. There you go. Let's zoom it in on your hand. Take your hand away. Epic eyewear safety glasses. That's what we're using now. I think these are called grunts. And you can get them. I got them in the black. And Clancy has got them in the tan so we can keep up with whose is whose. All right, drill that now. All right, now we're going to change out our bit and put on 1 1/8 inch. I got my tag on there still. That's all right. That's how all the cool kids do it, right? Leave the tag on stuff. Is that right, bub?
Huh?
That's how the cool kids do it, just leave the tag on?
No.
Epic eyewear, guys. That's the same kind of sunglasses I wear, the same company that makes the sunglasses I wear, the ones that Erica wears. So they have they're veteran owned.
How do you get this out?
You don't take that out. You need to unscrew that off unscrew the white part off the black part on that drill.
May have to get a. Here, you want to try?
So change of events. Clance was right. There was a little metal. Does that not have a? We need to put a bit in it though.
Yeah, you gotta get this one out.
So get you, what do you need for that?
Phillips. I mean,
This one, you could probably just put a regular drill bit in it. This one's got just a flathead.
How big?
I just grabbed that hole we already drilled, that 3/16 or whatever it was. Open that up and see if that'll go in it and bolt in it. Will that tighten in it or no? It probably says on there. Let's see what it says. It don't say. That didn't fit in it?
No.
Go the biggest one you can put in it. That way it's centered. Still working. Okay.
Look how far that sucker sticks out of there.
Yeah. Hopefully it'll work. All right. Drill these 3 holes here.
Dad, did you even tighten that thing down?
Let me see it. All right, guys, so after a few minor malfunctions with I knew better than to buy the old cheapo hole saw. We only had to drill 3 holes, but it was just, I should have just bought a good one. Like the big 2-inch one was a Milwaukee, cut right through it, no problem. The little junker took forever, no good, ruined the drill bit, but let's show you what we got. So we got our holes drilled, and yeah, it looks kind of funky, but it's all gonna be covered up anyways. Clance is fixing to hook up the little handheld angle grinder, die grinder deal. We're gonna get in here and clean these holes up a little bit, make them smooth on the inside, and then we're gonna get started on doing our wiring. We're probably gonna fold that firewall back up in there. We don't have a new firewall to put back in it, so this one's not in bad shape. Just the cardboard part is a little bit brittle, but we're gonna just fold it back up there and get it going. So after we get this done and start the install, we'll show you what we're gonna do over there. Clint's gonna fire up the air compressor.
All right, so when you left off the video, y'all were going to put in the AC.
We were working on the AC.
But now you've been interrupted by a hunting trip.
Right, so every year for the last few years we go quail hunting in New Mexico. We didn't go last year because there wasn't any birds, but this year we got some good intel that there's going to be some birds, so we kind of last minute said, hey, we're going to go. One of the things that we built for our old buggy was a little rack here that has a shelf on it, and then I built these little guys right here that hold shotguns. So they mount down in the rack, and then you can put a shotgun in there. We have one for each side, one for my gun and one for Clancy's. So since we got a new buggy, we had to rebuild a new rack. So we're leaving day after tomorrow, so we got to get this built tonight. While I'm working on this, Clance is going to be painting parts that need to go on the pickup before we finish installing the air conditioner system. We got door hinges we're painting. We got the transmission tunnel cover that we made that's going to get painted. We got the plate that came with the vintage air that blocks off the holes in your firewall, and this blocks off the part where it sucks in air. So if you'll come up here, we'll show you. We want to paint all that. Oh, and we got to do some interior painting. Everything where you see brown, that red oxide primer, that's where we cut and had bare metal. So we've primed it, and we're going to paint it tonight while I'm working on the rack. Clancy's going to do the painting. And then here is our AC system, or Clancy's AC system. We've already started the assembly on it, and we didn't video that because it's just putting parts on. There's nothing interesting. It's just snap this on here, snap that on there. So we've got the air conditioner vents here. This is the floor vents. These are the floor vents. These are the 4 air conditioner vents. These are going to go up to the defrosters, and then those just snap on with little metal snaps. Then you put your hoses on. These will go out to your heater hoses. These go to your condenser coil. And you mount some mounting brackets. So when you mount this, these brackets, this bracket here on the back, there's 2 holes here that are gonna go line up with holes that are on the bracket that Clancy's gonna paint. So, so that's kind of where we're at, guys. We're gonna stop this video right now. And hopefully in another video coming up, we will have installing this, doing all the duct work, piping the lines that go to the different vents, and showing you how we install it. So
Yeah, so stay tuned for that.
stay
video.
tuned for that, and we'll probably somewhere between now and then.
Maybe Cody will do a hunting video.
Yeah, we'll do a hunt video. We might do a video on making this rack, kind of show you. I don't know. It's kind of dark, so it may not work too good. But and we're pretty rushed, so Erica doesn't perform well under pressure. So
No, I don't come out here and video after.
it's currently.
9 p.m.
I think it's like
10 o'clock right
It's
now.
10 o'clock, and we're just getting started on these projects. But
Lance doesn't like being out here this late either. So.
well, he likes to look at his phone late, so he can look at the he can look at a paint gun for a little bit.
All right.
All right. So like and subscribe. Drop any comments you got. We try to get to them if we can. As always, keep ranching, keep hunting, keep soldering. Just keep doing what you're doing.